In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your custom domain in Stripe. Now, this can be an invaluable step if you want your business to have a more cohesive online presence. By using your own domain, you can ensure that customers interacting with your Stripe-hosted pages get a seamless experience that aligns perfectly with your brand. So, let's dive into the process. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Stripe dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to click on Settings. This is your command center for configuring everything related to your account. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various sections, but what you're most interested in at this moment is labeled Business under Account Settings. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the business settings, it's time to focus your attention on finding where you can set up your custom domain. Look for the option that says Custom Domains and give it a click. This section is specifically designed for customizing your URLs and making it easy for your customers to access your Stripe-hosted pages using your brand's identity. Next, you're going to add your domain. Here, you'll see an option to add your domain. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, Stripe will guide you through the process. You will be asked to input your domain name that you have already registered with the domain registrar. If you haven't purchased a custom domain yet, you'll need to do that through a domain registration service before proceeding with this step. Popular services include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and others. Once you've entered your domain name, Stripe will provide you with DNS records that you'll need to update at your domain registrar. This ensures that when someone types in your custom web address, they'll be seamlessly directed to your Stripe-hosted page. Don't worry if you're not familiar with DNS settings. Stripe typically provides a step-by-step guide on how to make these adjustments, tailored to the most common domain registrars. It's also important to keep in mind that these DNS changes might take a little time to propagate. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for the changes to be fully reflected across the internet. After making sure everything is correctly set up, it's always a good idea to do a quick check. Try accessing your Stripe-hosted page through your new custom domain to ensure it's pointing to the right location. If everything looks good, you should see your business page as expected, confirming that your custom domain setup is complete and functioning. And there you have it, a streamlined setup process that gives your business a polished, professional touch with a custom domain in Stripe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.